Sorry for being late.
아 괜찮습니다.
Yeah.
It's okay. 그러면 어떻게 식사하셨어요?
Yes, beautiful right here.
식사했어요. 알겠습니다. 그 앞에 수술 좀 드릴게요.
Treatment planning in the West is a little bit different than treatment planning in Korea. And I think there's certainly things that we could learn from the Korean surgeons that they probably do a little bit differently, maybe a little bit better than us. I think there's something they could probably learn from us as well. And so we just wanted to come here just so we could share information and then, we all could become better surgeons for it.
I know about it. I would always see very crazy facial transformations, So I always knew that Korean surgeons were really good. When we were looking to find some surgeons in Korea to share ideas with and to come visit, a lot of people said the same doctors. Like a lot of people recommended Dr. Kim. So that's a good sign when there's a lot of different people recommending the same doctor. So that's kind of why we came here.
I guess just I don't know, just kind of more knowledge and different ways to kind of do jaw surgery, treat different problems. Even if we don't do the same surgeries, I still really enjoy kind of learning about it, just having a better understanding kind of about jaw surgery and facial contouring. It's just very interesting to me.
Yeah, I'd say the same thing. I think we can never get better if we only know what we do. It's really interesting to see other people's surgeries and to learn from them. And there's also, every patient is different, even culturally, there's a different expectation. So.
Well, Dr. Kim does some techniques and some things that we just don't do. And so I just want to kind of see how he does it, what instruments he uses, how he even closes the wound. Just because, any high volume surgeon, they're going to be good at what they do, and there's a good chance he may do something a little different than me that I can incorporate in my own surgical practice.
Yeah, I think we would just say, I'm here to learn everything. How patients come in to see somebody for a consult, just the way the clinic is, just the flow of patients. I'm interested to see, the OR, the setup. I want to see the staff. I want to see the surgery, and hopefully we can all share. We would welcome him to LA anytime, and I think we can get better if we just share ideas and learn from each other. I'd say beautiful office, really, really good staff. Dr. Kim was very nice. Overall, I see why lots of international patients want to come here.
Very nice guy. He doesn't seem like, some surgeons have kind of big egos. He doesn't seem like that to me.
Yeah.
He seems like very humble, and really that's kind of what you want in a surgeon, is somebody like Dr. Kim.
Thank you. You want to take about that?
Yeah. Well, Dr. Kim's an excellent surgeon. You can just tell by his, efficient movements and very definitive in what he does that he has a lot of experience doing this type of surgery. I was impressed.
I can just tell he's done this 1,000 times. Literally 1,000 times he told us. So he's just very meticulous and he moves very quickly, which is very impressive.
Just his technique with the kind of T chin reduction osteotomy, I thought was really good. I really like the plate that he used, which is a little bit different than how we do it. Same thing with the angle reductions and the inferior border osteotomies. Just he's done more of that than we have, and his techniques are really good.
We've done a few in LA, like the angle reduction and T osteotomies, but because we don't do it a lot, we found it to be very difficult procedures, and it's just, it's nice to see that you can do it smoothly and quickly.
Yeah.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely. Just because he's a, experienced surgeon, meticulous surgeon, patients will get a good result if they come here.
I think he's also very humble that he's willing to show other doctors instead of like trying to keep secrets. It says a lot about him actually.
Yeah. If you go to a surgeon that is kind of arrogant, it's probably not to go somewhere else.
Yeah. You said that's super cool.
That's super cool.